Welcome back. This is Danielle from Spoil Yourself Natural. Today we are making our last soap in our winter soap collection. This particular soap is named Wonderland, and it is scented with benzoin, peppermint, and fir essential oils, colored with a yellow clay top. All soaps are now available on the Spoil Yourself Natural website. I was slightly disappointed with this soap. When I was pouring, I was confident that the yellow would just be on the top, and it did kind of bleed through. And it's in the soap a little bit more than I intended. That I don't mind so much, but unfortunately when I tried to do the bubble wrap on the top, I don't have bubble wrap in my home. I don't pack with it very often. So what I did have, the bubbles weren't thick enough, so they didn't really indent the soap, as you can see right there. Once the soap was beveled and the stamp was on it, it does look like a nice soap, just not what I had pictured in my mind. But that's soap making for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to another one next week. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.